So viewers and subscribers, welcome to the channel. You see me? And today we will talk about Vybz Kartel. You see me? I big up Sean Storm and I make the whole place, cause them a party last night to celebrate Sean Storm's birthday. And the man I make Sean Storm know say we love him and one bag of thing also. You see him we go for mad so see me. And the man go as far as and say yo, you know be this ooh and wine. You see me? I just the real and the loyalty people him a deal with. So viewers and subscribers, we have them clippings there also when them a full jar themselves. You see me? Yeah man and Kartel are going to make two bad man, two Gaza rock same way. So you what? And also what I want to do, I want to comment and tell me who no feel say forget artist of the year. Yeah man, cause my top 3 no viewers and subscribers. I tell you about my top 3 who me feel say forget artist of the year. You see me? Me a talk about Massacre. You see me? Me a talk about Chronicler. And me who then say yo 450. Cause are the artists them when me see put in the work. You see me when me can say yo get artist of the year. You see me? And me can even add one more upon it. You see me go as far as and we know say yo Squash man. You see me? Yeah, cause Squash put in some great work too. So viewers and subscribers, just comment and let me know what you think. You see me? Yeah man. You know the thing go. Say what? Please leave a like, share, comment and subscribe. Tell a family, tell a friend. Say Zooskull Entertainment over here, so I do it till the end. You know the thing go. That is it. Clock is quick. I'm out.
I'm going to pray to God and say, Father God, carry our road. I'm going to change your life and we're going to make the youth them know so there's a better way. And God, free me, bro. See, I love you, dog. I'm going to kill who and why you going to suck on the man, brother. Mad sauce, love you, bro. Free fire, brother. Tears right now, bro. Show some people that know, brother. I love all the guys that stand up with me. Right, show. I don't ever stand up with me. Bro, I love them the same way, dog. I just see haters that I don't love. Big up, you know. Yeah, pink is there. My G. I'm in the part of the bad man people in my G. Yeah, yeah, man. I big up Pablo YG. I big up the son then. I remember them that the dash of the gun then. I big up the cousin Slimmatic. Yeah, God will say, look on my fire. Every day. I'm big up Cinema Man and Sue Mary. Yeah, yeah, man. What is that on the doors?
Fresh.
Hey yo, it's your girl KB. I'm here represent for the one and only Zooskull. Yeah man, the baddest vlog about the place. So I want everybody subscribe to my YouTube channel for the latest in the dancehall. You see me? Me a go tick-tock on it, boom, make it clap on it, bounce like a ball wine, like banana spine on it. Yeah man, Zooskull, you don't know it go.